Hey, I just wanted to do a quick update on my electroculture gardening, and hang on and let me show you my setup here. This is one of my antennas I have here in my garden, and I have not sprayed. I've not done anything. I've got a few Japanese beetles. I don't have the squash bugs that I normally have, thank goodness. And hang on just a second, we'll go around the other side here. This is I have another one of the same antenna up on the hill. I can tell a huge difference. My squash is not completely destroyed by squash bugs. My plants are doing great, and I'm getting bigger yields out of my crops than normal too.